Okay, guys, we're bringing you a 2019 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. Is the highest working truck in the tool business. This truck has less than 25,000 miles, and here are some of this truck great options: keyless entry, keyless start, anti-lock braking system, traction control system, stability control system, steering audio control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, forward wheel drive, four-wheel disc brake, cruise control, AM, FM radio, CD player, MP3 player, fog lights, trip computer, child safety locks, passenger airbags, and brake assist.